We are gearing up for SLAS, as we've mentioned in past episodes, but now it's about time for the rubber to meet the road. You know, in middle of January, we're all going to be pretty much focused on getting ready for that.
Yeah, if you see someone carrying a robot, please let him in. Just let him in.
No problem. Why we
At the
make
booth.
robots that weigh less than 50 pounds? If you
He'll
have to
be
bring
just walking in with the
a
robot.
powered hand truck to bring it in, the security people might not be so
Yeah,
keen,
they won't.
but,
They frown on that.
You can hand
Maybe
carry
get
it.
some
Vacuums.
help.
They hate vacuums.
Distracting people.
Oh yeah, vacuums. Like, hey buddy, you got to get your booth vacuumed by the local labor. You understand?
Oh my
Exactly.
god, that vacuum thing.
She got
Don't.
reamed on
Hey
that
Bruno,
one.
we got a problem with the vacuum over here. Oh wait, we're not in Boston. I thought you guys are robot people. I thought you'd have a Roomba.